What up, everybody? I know we all love the Centrotherm Ecosystems Instagram corporate account. That's where a lot of the fun stuff happens, the Meet the Team segments, and we post the podcast. But we're starting to get a ton of technical and customer service type questions. So we're going to do something a little bit different and introduce an additional Instagram account. So follow me.
How are ya? Hey guys, so follow us at our new customer support page at the bottom of the screen there. I will be handling that, so please send over any tech questions that you have, any customer service related issues. We'll be sharing more content such as like FAQs, little tips and tricks on how to get you started, how to get you going. Feel free to use it at any point in time. Thanks.
Instagram.